Hello everyone. The former President Mbeki has hit out at the ANC's decision to use its majority to squash a move towards an impeachment inquiry linked to the foreign currency that was stolen from the president's farm in Limpopo. The ANC's Veterans League said that while Mbeki was well within his right to raise his concerns over the current President Cyril Ramaphosa's PhalaPhala saga, it has not dealt with the issue. Snuki Zikalala said that there was nothing for the Veterans League to debate over the matter as Ramaphosa has taken it under review. The Veterans League held a Lekotla in Johannesburg over the weekend. Last week, 6 of the ANC's top 7 officials met with Mbeki following a leaked letter he sent to the Deputy President Paul Mashatile. Zikalala said that the ANC was likely to give an update on the engagement soon. He said while it's still under review, there's nothing for us to debate and discuss because we don't have any information. What Comrade Mbeki has raised, and of course, the top 7 has met with him and we will get the briefing from there. Comrade Mbeki has been raising most contentious and serious issues about how government fails to deliver and how the ANC needs to be protected. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.